Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installing of this 20-inch Yaki Kinky straight wig from Kiss Love Hair. And let me tell you, this wig is so cool, you guys. So this is their 360 Invsa-Strap wig, to where you don't need any glue in the back, but you can have a nice updo, like bam, zero glue, and it eats, you guys. So, oh, not to mention the edges, you guys. We're gonna get into all that in a little bit. We'll get into that in a little bit. But Kiss Love actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the wig from Kiss Love Hair. We are going to go ahead and unbox it together and see what we're working with. I'm super excited because let me tell you, Kiss Love has always been just fantastic. I've ordered from them like for years. But let's see what they have here. We'll go ahead and unbox it. Bam, here's the bag. It's from Kiss Love Hair. They have their branding on the back, human hair, and their socials on the back. Oh, it's a lot in here, guys. It's a lot in here. Ooh. Okay, hold on. So it comes with some extra invisible strings, a headband to melt your lace, wig cap, lashes, an edge brush, lace tape, a bonnet, and an eyebrow razor. So it comes with a lot of different gifts, you guys. But let's actually look at this wig, what we're all here for, right? Here is the wig. This is their 20-inch Yaki Straight 360 lace wig, and this should be super easy to install. So we are going to go ahead and see. Let's see what she's giving, guys. Ooh, oh my goodness, hold on now. Guys, what? This comes with 4C edges. These edges are 4C. Oh my goodness, these edges are 4C. Like, look at that, look at these edges. Look at them, like, I don't know if y'all can see that well, but the edges. Oh my goodness. Guys, I've never seen this. I've never seen this, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Guys, the edges are actually like 4C. This is crazy, guys. I'm blown away already. Like, what? I can't wait to slick this down a little bit with the little baby hair and see what happens. I can't wait to see like how it's actually gonna give when we slick it down. That is crazy. Like, oh my goodness, I hope you all can see what I'm seeing, because this is insane. Okay, let's take it off of this paper so maybe y'all can see a little better. And we can look at the wig a little more. But what the? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys, this is crazy. But let me show you all the inside of this wig. It is their 360 lace wig, so it's lace all the way over here. And then in the back too. And it comes with these invisible strings, so you can do the nice 360 pull without having to glue the back down. And you can put the hair in a high ponytail. So I'm super excited. And of course it has a elastic band on it. But yeah, this is gonna look super realistic. This is crazy, guys. Let's go ahead and put it on and see what it's giving. I'm excited. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of makeup to the lace to make it closer to my skin tone and just really blend in a little more, especially around this region. Just towards the end. This is crazy, guys. This is insane. Okay, and let's just put this wig on and see what she gives right out the gate. Let's see. Okay, bam. Look at that. The edges are crazy. The 4C edges have me literally blown away. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. I'm going to add a little bit of spray, especially to the sides, just to make sure I can keep this part down here. So let's add just a little bit of lace spray. You don't need any like real glue on this wig, but spray is just gonna make sure it kind of stays put on the ear tabs. And of course you could use the tape that actually comes with the wig too. I'm just gonna add a little more makeup to the sides so it blends a little better. And I'm actually super excited to go ahead and slick these 4C sides down and see what it looks like when we slick these edges a little bit, because this is so cool. I've never had a wig like this. So let's see. I got the edge brush that they gave us. Let's use some real gel here. We need some real snot because we got some thick edges. I love it. I love it. That's cool. Ooh, let me make sure it can come out. Let's play with our edges. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. I love them. I love it. Oh my goodness, look how cute it is. It's so cute. Let's add some over here. Since this is a 360 wig, we could do a cute little half up, half down type action. Or we can do a full bun. Let's actually work on the back and do like a nice full bun. Since we do have these strings on the side. A nice little half up, half down look is so cute. But let's go ahead and put this hair all the way up and see what she gives. Let's see. We're going to do a cute little updo. This really looks like my hair. This is crazy. Let's make sure we slick it down because this is their yaki texture, so it's thicker like our hair. So hold on. We got to add a little bit of mousse before we do all this. Let's actually get it a little more slick. As for the back, you're just going to make sure you tuck in the comb and pull these strings as hard and tight as you can because you want it super duper snug. You can just tuck the invisible strings inside of the wig. And bam, you got a nice 360 wig. This looks so cute. It looks like my real hair. That is crazy. That is nice. And it was so easy. I think the important thing with the invisible straps, make sure you pull them tight. That is the key. And then, bam, it looks perfect. But I am obsessed, you guys. Once again, this wig is from Kiss Love Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Bye, guys.